Hi guys, and welcome to my latest video where I'm going to show you how to pair an RFG100 into a T87RF round thermostat. So if anyone knows the T87s, so basically they have this wireless touch zone bit down here. So there's a touch zone here on the left and the right in this wireless touch area. Okay, so the one on the left here, that pairs it into wireless relay boxes, so the BDR91s, and the one on the right here, you pair that into the RFG100. So the RFG100 is the internet gateway, and it has three lights on the side which basically tell you its status. So the one by the power button basically tells you that it's powered, the one in the middle tells you it's RF paired to the stat, and the one on the left basically tells you that it's connected to the internet or not. So if any of these show red, then there's a problem or something's not connected. But basically, if they're all connected and they're all working, you'll have all these green. If the middle button comes, so when you get the RFG100 out of the box, if it comes green, basically you just need to unpair it before pairing in and following my process now to do that. So once you've done this, it will basically allow you to use the Total Connect Comfort platform to operate your thermostat. So if we first of all start then, so if you press and hold the right hand touch zone like this, after a few seconds what will happen is it will say BND on the screen. So if you look now, you can see BND. And that is now indicating that this thermostat is ready to pair into the RFG100. So to do that, there is a push button on the bottom of the RFG100 here, and you press and release it. So what you have to do is you have to get your finger just gently, not hard, just press it and then hold it for about 3 seconds and then let go. And then you'll see the RFG100, the button, the little LED button in the middle is now flashing green. Okay. What we've done, we've left this a little bit too long, so now unfortunately the thermostat has come out of pairing mode, so we've got to put that back in pairing mode. So if we just press and hold the right hand touch zone again, so remember these are touch zones, not buttons, so you just literally rest your finger on the the bit that says the S's of wireless, okay, and then you'll get BND come back up. Okay, once you've got BND up, press the button once, and you'll see that it now pairs into the gateway. So the 5 was the signal strength indication, and the little symbol at the top basically shows you that it's paired to the RFG100. And on the RFG100 you can see the center LED is now solid green. Can you see that? So that's now paired, and that's indicated by the gateway symbol there. I'm sorry that was a bit quick, but basically on the touch zone on the right hand one, you basically just press that once and it sends the pairing signal. It happens quite quick when you do it, so there's not a lot you can do about that. But once you've done that, you get the local area network lead, you plug that in, and then basically that will then give you internet connectivity to allow then to move on to the next step. I'll show you what that looks like. So this is now the RFG100 plugged in. You can see we've got the 3 green lights, and on the underside there is your what they call the MAC address and your CRC code. Now you need those to pair this device into your internet connection. Okay, so the left hand LED will stay flashing until you do this sequence. So what you need to do is go to the Total Connect Comfort platform, which I'll put a link in the description of the video, and create yourself an account. Once you've created your account, you need to log in. So basically put your login details into here. There's basically your email address and then the password that you create. So if you then put your password in, like so, and then once you've put your password in, you'll be able to then log in. Okay, but first of all, obviously, if you've not got your account set up, you need to actually go down the bottom and it says new to Total Connect Comfort, create an account. Okay, so you just create an account in there which will ask you for your email address, password, and then your details. Once you've done that, click the login, and then you can log in. Okay, so once you've logged into your account, if you've created locations already, you'll see the locations. However, if you haven't got any locations, you need to add a location by clicking this button and then create your registration location. So you put your location name in here, could be home or could be your first line of your address, and then you put your location address in below. So basically the location address tells the Total Connect Comfort platform where your device is registered, and that can give you things like local air temperature and things like that, depending on the device you have. Not unfortunately on the T87RF, but on the Eva Home system it will. So register your location, and then if you click Create Comfort System and then click Next, and then this is now where you put your device, MAC, and your CRC code. So those were the basically the words and letters that were underneath the RFG100. You'll see it says device, MAC, CRC. Put those into here and click Submit button, and then it will then register your device. And then once your device has been registered, it will then say it's been successful, like so. And then on your mobile phone, go and download the Total Connect Comfort app, log in with the same details that you've logged in with on your Total Connect Comfort platform on the internet, and then you can go and actually see your location. So you can see here we create the test location. You can now see the address and then some options across the top for off, away and economy modes, and then you can actually go in and directly control the thermostat from here. So that is all very good. And then if we just go back in a second, so you'll see in a minute. If I click the back to location there, and then you can see if you've set up multiple locations, you can see them here. So you can see I've got a few here. There's basically my mum's. I did some work at the Energy House at Salford not long ago, and obviously you've got my mother-in-law's there. And yeah, you can create multiple locations if you've got multiple devices. So if you've got like your mother-in-law's got one, or your nan's got one, or something like that, you can actually control it all remotely, and you just do that by adding extra systems. But I just wanted to show you this here as well quickly, is when you've actually finished, everything will be solid green lights. So once you've registered the device on the Total Connect Comfort platform, you'll have 3 solid green lights, and that indicates that the system is working correctly. If you look at the T87RF, when it is connected, you can see there's a square. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's a square up the top right hand corner around the connection status. So basically it's now telling you that it's internet connected, and if you have a demand now, you'll see it on the left hand side of the stat, you'll see that you've got the flame symbol. But basically, if you have any issues doing this when you're setting it up, you can literally call Residio on 0300 130 1299, and they will help you go through this sequence. Right guys, thanks very much for watching my video today. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. All the likes and subscribes really help our channel grow and get the videos, more importantly, in front of the people that want to watch them. So really appreciate anyone that does that. If you've got any ideas for videos you want to see in the future, this video today came about because someone, I had 2 or 3 comments actually across videos on the round thermostats asking for pairing for the RFG100, so hence we've done the video we have today. But if you've got any ideas for videos or any videos you want covered, please just comment in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to make them in the new year. So thanks very much for watching my video today. Like I said, comment, like and subscribe, and if you've really enjoyed the video, or if it's got you sorted, consider giving us a super thanks. So the super thanks go towards the production of our channel and the time and effort we have to put into making, editing and creating the videos. So I really appreciate those super thanks. Anyway, so I've been Richard, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.